Hey, what's up everyone, it's Julia from TemplateMonster. We asked the designers at TemplateMonster Web Studio about how to build a successful and eye-catching portfolio, and here is what they shared with us. Today I'll talk about where and how to keep a portfolio, and also I'm gonna show you a couple of real examples. So let's dive in. So where can you keep your portfolio? It can be a personal website or platforms like Behance, Dribbble, Instagram, etc. And by the way, if you want to know more about keeping your portfolio on a specific platform, just let me know down in the comments. Can you keep your portfolio on multiple platforms at the same time? Well, it's up to you to decide. But the chances to be hired are higher if you cover at least a couple of platforms. So our advice for you, if you feel like you can manage having more than one, definitely do so. And always include the links to your profile on the other platforms. Should you approach presenting projects on these platforms differently? Every platform requires a bit of a different approach. Personal website is a very flexible option that allows you to choose a specific design, color scheme, and fonts for your portfolio. You can sort your work there by date or type of design, make different categories so it's easier for the employers and clients to find the design examples they need. Behance is a perfect place to post entire case studies of your projects with the breakdowns of all the steps, and Dribbble community loves colorful concept shots and animated GIFs. These two platforms, Behance and Dribbble, are the places where the designers can share their work, engage with the community, and be found by potential clients. On Behance, you can get awards for your work and post projects in collaboration with other artists. On Instagram, you can now take advantage of the features like carousels and story highlights. But because Instagram has an endless grid layout, the number of customization options is limited, so you cannot put all your pieces exactly how you want. However, on Instagram, it's way easier to get discovered by potential clients or employers. Don't forget that it's better not to mix your designs with the posts showing your personal life. You attending a concert with your wife or a sleeping dog, just leave it for your personal account. Keep it professional and keep it separate. So here are the tips. Tip 1. Only post your best work. Use the rule of quality over quantity. Showing 3 great pieces is better than showing 10 poorly designed ones. Tip 2. Only post that type of projects you want to be associated with and get more similar projects in the future. If you want to design websites, don't post projects with apps and logos. Tip 3. Do your best to present your work in the most perfect way visually. Add something special so it doesn't look boring and plain, and besides, the way you present your work also shows the level of your skill. Tip 4. Show your process. Case study ideally. Show as many steps as you can, from wireframes in your sketchbook to final prototypes. Explain why you made a certain decision. Show design iterations, but very shortened and condensed for Instagram. If you want to send it over to a specific studio or company, show them the work that resembles what they do. And last but not least, keep it updated. This tip isn't so crucial for a professional website, but is very important for other platforms. There can be no dates on your personal website, so you cannot see when everything was uploaded. However, it won't work for Instagram. Think what a potential employer will think about looking at your portfolio. If it was a year ago when you posted something, well, it's not cool. So that's it for this video. I hope you will apply all those tips while building your own portfolio, and if you do, consider sharing the link to your portfolio page at any platform of your choice in the comment section. We'll be thrilled to have a look at it. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a great one. See you next time.